Yeah! Alright, I'm back. Once again. For good this time. I have moved to a different location. And I got a couple more projects to mess with. But, so today, well, actually last weekend, it's a 91 yz125 and a 94 yz125, both for free. So I have $0 in it. But the 250 is basically a hunk of junk, motor's blown up, rod seized, probably not going to fix that one. It doesn't have a title, but this one obviously looks worse, but has a title. The bottom end is brand new. It's in a million pieces, but I think everything's here. I'm going to try to get her going. But yeah, I'm going to be using parts off of this. Like I've cross-referenced the CDI is the same, and like the numbers are real close, but the plugs are different, so I'm gonna have to wire it for this one. I don't have a CDI for that, but rear wheel, swing arm, subframe, black one's the seat for it. And then the plastics are real ratty, but I'm just trying to put it together so I can figure out like if I have everything, and to see if I need to make a list or whatever it needs. I don't know. Just kind of gonna go through it, but pretty much the engine is taken apart because they broke the clutch hub. Came with the new clutch hub, and I've been messing with that. But yeah, the piston's good, but I'm gonna replace all that eventually. I just want to see if I can get her going. I have enough gaskets, I think, here to kind of jimmy it together to see how it is. I don't know. Like I said, I think I have everything. The only problem that I'm seeing with what I have laying around is that, I don't know, it's probably not going to run very good. That's fine. But yeah, the cylinder's all good, but there's one little nick in the fucking plating right there, which sucks. But just to see if it'll run, it'll be fine. I got to get it replated anyway. Yeah, I'm pretty much just going to be slapping this together. I got to resplit the cases and reseal them. It looks like someone took it apart and just slapped it back together. But yeah, pretty much that's about it for today. And I broke my foot, so I've got some time on my hands at home, away from work. And yeah. I got her split apart. Looks all good. It's pretty gross in here. But I have never seen hot rods crank like this before. These, like the weights, whatever, the plugs like that. I wonder how old this crank is. I have no idea how long this thing's been sitting for. But it's all really tight. It's like almost like it's new. I really don't know the story on this bike, honestly, but yeah, I'm gonna get this siliconed up and cleaned out. Get her back together. This is where I'm at. Got it all together. Luckily I took it apart because there was zero silicone in between the two cases for some reason. But yeah. So next I'll just be getting the top end on, and then get it in the bike. Gotta go through the bike and pick out the best parts from the other bike and make one good one pretty much. But yeah. This is as far as I got done for today. All in all. Should run, but I'm missing the CDI. Need a different motor mount. This is off the 250. It almost fits, but I'll have to hunt one down. And then I'll probably order one of those. I just have it on there so dirt doesn't get in there. But yeah, this is probably going to be it for this video. So look out for a part 2 on it. No, it wasn't too interesting, but I'll get some more footage of it the ugliest YZ125 on the internet, probably. This thing is disgusting. But we'll see.